The sun is out to my right above lens hood. But down below is 12 cents. I'll give you 2 cents of my opinion. Here, I'm fish. I have here's a lens hood, top and bottom. I have a lens hood that is square all the way around on the Action 5. And the sun is where I'm pointing. These are what the lens hoods look like from my gig user. He made them, shipped them to me so I could test them out, see if there's any issues with them. On the side, we have some issues, and when you turn the camera to the angle, you got some flaring, some black lines. Well, if I'm shooting this way, then the line would be here. Sometimes it's over here. But I got the Action 1. Will it fit the Action 1? Nah, it's a little loose. Really not needed, because the Action 1 doesn't cause that much of a flare like the Action 3, 4, and 5 Pro. So what I am going to be doing now, I'm going to do my best to pan up and down to get the best shots of that sun in your eyes with the flare. And see if you like the trumpet, the bugle, the lens flare. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro left, Action 1 to the right. As the best I can do, panning real slow, 90 degrees, directly in front of the sun, about 11 o'clock in the height, and going towards the 10 o'clock counterclockwise on my right side. That'd be of the monitor, looking in the front. Let's go back to the center where the sun is at, and let's go up in the air, real slow. I cannot see if there's any flaring whatsoever at all, because I'm looking directly to the sun. Take 2, the same exact scene, panning nice and slow, with the lens hood on, just 1. Going all the way around the best I can, bringing it back to the center, and pointing up 90 degrees, and then towards the sun, up towards it. And down. Shot number 3, square. Shot number 3, up and down lens. Panning nice and slow. All the audio is the Action 5 Pro. Panning back to the center where the sun is at, right above, and going up, looking towards the sun. And then back down and finalizing my video. I have the up and down only on the Action 5 Pro, and I'm shooting the next shot only with the Action 5 Pro. And I'm just basically cannot see anything on the screen with my glasses if I am getting a sun flare. With taking off the actual lens protector, help increase to take away the lens flare. Not at all. I don't want to take off today my lens protector for a flare test. That is the option you have to do. But I am basically did my test, and I thought I'd take it with the Action 1. Oh yeah, man, let me tell you, the Action 1 is probably the best camera that they made. And you know what I don't like about it now? Don't have that magnetic mount clip. I had to use the case in order to hold it on. Oh man, once you get to use that magnetic mount setup, you're gonna say, hey man, I don't wanna go back. I got the lens hood on and I'm just like nipping where the sun is at. So right now the sun is right there. I'm going to all the corners possible and I don't see the lens flare. I can't see it on the camera, but I do my best to get it towards the center. And that looks like the center without looking into the actual, you got it, sun. My eyes are closed. Sometimes you can't help but filming with the sun over there shining on you. And when you're riding away from the sun and it's on the back of you, you have to accept those lens flares. Every camera has a lens flare. Well, I looked back at my Sony videos, man. Let me tell you, I don't have lens flares like I have on these action cameras. Well, they say, oh, the Ace Pro has a minimal amount of lens flare. Oh, the GoPro is the next one. But DJI is well known for lens flares. Well, that's it for me. I'm gonna go back and edit my videos, purposely facing to the sun for all. Yeah. This test for me is done, and I could deal with lens flares. Oh yeah, man, can't have it all. Not at all. And on that note, I am Fish, and I'll see you on other videos. I can sit all day, go get my Sony HX90V, and watch the planes come in and get nice close-up shots. But the lens flare, the saber saw the trumpet. It is what it is. I'm Fish. Catch you on many other videos to come.